Welcome to Loomly. Loomly empowers marketing teams to streamline collaboration and create better content faster. In this video, you will discover how to get started with Loomly. Loomly's dashboard is your home base and high-level view of everything you have coming up. Everything in Loomly revolves around the concept of calendars. You can think of a calendar as a container to organize content for your project, brand, location, or business. In each calendar, you can connect one social account per supported platform, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, Snapchat, and TikTok, and activate one custom channel. You can create as many calendars as you need in a few simple steps. When creating a calendar, you are prompted to name it, set its time zone, connect your social media accounts, invite collaborators, and a few additional settings that can always be adjusted at a later time in your calendar settings. Inside a calendar, List View provides a detailed overview of all your posts and lets you assign posts to collaborators, update post dates, and apply bulk actions. Calendar View provides a strategic overview of your post for the month. From here, you can drag and drop posts to another date, create quick posts, and ungroup existing posts to reveal any fine-tuned channel variations. When you need content inspiration, Post Ideas View brings you events and holidays based on the day of the year and allows you to create your own custom post ideas, which can be recurring or not. Moving on to post creation, start by clicking on the New Post button to launch Post Builder. Post Builder is like a wizard that helps you easily create content step by step. You can take advantage of Loomly's scheduling slots feature to set your preferred publishing schedule and save time when creating new posts in Post Builder. Quick tip: in addition to relevant holidays, events, and your own custom post ideas, Post Builder also presents you with inspiration based on Twitter trends and RSS feed articles of your choice. Then, define the copy of your post and add media assets to your post either by selecting your own files or importing new ones from Giphy or Unsplash without leaving Post Builder. Hashtag Manager provides you with hashtag suggestions based on the copy of your post, displays trending hashtags, and allows you to create hashtag collections, all to be added to your post at the click of a button. Once you've defined the generic copy and media assets, which applies by default to all your channels, you can fine-tune the date, time, and content of your post for each social media channel. Optionally, you can define a target audience for Facebook and LinkedIn posts organically, and even boost your most important Facebook posts with Facebook ads through post sponsoring. Once you create a post, you can preview it in Post View, making collaboration with your team visual and intuitive. In fact, Loomly is designed with collaboration in mind, and inviting collaborators is extremely easy. From your calendar toolbar, click on Invite Collaborators. Select one of our predefined roles and workflows, or define your very own with custom roles and custom workflows. Once collaborators join your calendar, you can assign them to posts, leave comments to their attention, and mention one another both in Post View and List View. Everything is kept safe within Loomly, and you can see all communication history in the sleek History panel below your post preview in Post View. In addition, Loomly helps you store all relevant assets in your calendar's library. There, you can upload media files, create slideshows, notes, and post templates, import photos from Unsplash, and even edit assets with Loomly Studio from Asset View. As your audience grows, Loomly empowers you to keep your social presence in check and engage with your community by replying to their comments, messages, and taggings. On top of that, you can measure your success with advanced analytics and monitor metrics related to your account and posts, including engagement, reach, likes, and many more. With advanced analytics, you're able to understand which posts perform the best and use those metrics to continually improve your posts day after day. Last but not least, you can export all your analytics data in PDF or CSV format and share your reports offline with your team. At any time, you can subscribe to Loomly. Simply visit the billing tab of your account and select the best plan for your needs. And that's it for today. You should be ready to get started with Loomly. Log into your dashboard now. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact our team either through the chat on our website or via email at contact@loomly.com. Thanks for watching this tutorial.